So our commercial clients are fairly varied. We've done work for the army, we've got medical centres, dentists, pharmacies, we've got farms, cane farms, powering pumps. So yeah, there's a vast, very varied clientele with the commercial space. And the perfect thing about most businesses is they're operating during the day. So it makes perfect sense. You're producing that power during the day and you're offsetting those power bills during the day. Some of the important factors for businesses is a lot of them can be energy dense, so meaning that it might be a small building, but they're using a lot of power per square metre. So you need to make sure you fit as much power as possible on there so they can achieve the savings that they want. So make sure you use the most efficient panel on the market to produce the most power on any given roof. We can fit a lot of power into a small area and offset as much of that power bill as possible. Operating a business from these premises, they can't afford any downtime. They don't want anyone coming back and interrupting their operations. They just want a hassle-free, risk-free install. Yeah, so generally your return on investment on solar with the business, the average business out there is paying anywhere from say 28 cents a kilowatt hour to 45 cents a kilowatt hour. So we've had systems as low as a 2-year, 18-month payback on installation. So it's quite phenomenal. There isn't another investment in the world that you can get that sort of return. So it's quite remarkable.